CC fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a vlog to take you along on my journey for my weight loss journey, and I'm also knocking out a fitness haul lookbook where you can look cute working out. So right now I have to get to the main stage for my intro, maybe my outro, and I have to cut the steps over there. That's where I'm trying to shoot, so I gotta go down these current steps and go all the way over there to shoot. So okay, y'all, this is the Rocky moment. This is the money shot. So yes, for him I live, for him I die. Okay. I climbed them steps 20 times. I can't do no more today, but this will get easier. My breathing will come back and regulate, but I know even next month I'm gonna be quicker, better, stronger. So that's just the tip of the iceberg. I'm excited. On location, baby, making it do what it do. Thank God. Thank God for the good weather. It's supposed to be elements out here. But God, He is the POP. So let's get this done. I'm gonna do a quick little sprint or whatever. You know, sometimes you just need to clear your head. There's so much going on in the world, and God has the most beautiful remedies to clear your head. So if your park is talking about something, go to the park. Go read your Bible or your favorite book or something. Look at this. So I am going to enjoy in spite of the heat. Thank God for the breeze that I do have. But yes, let me go up and down these steps here, which is steep because it's like walk on the grass, climb up the steps. I'm dreading it, but I'm excited. So being plus size, or me just kind of being lazy with not taking care of myself, I lack discipline in so much. You all have seen it. Like, I've been on YouTube for 4 years, and there's no way in the world I should have, you know, just 4K subscribers, and that's my bad. You know, I was inconsistent, but I'm putting my foot, the pedal to the metal, honey. Like, ain't no stopping me, because mentally I am already at 10K. I'm already conducting myself as a content creator as if I already have 10,000 CC fam or subscribers. So I wanted to kind of have a transparent moment with you all Y'all are my family. I love y'all. And as uncomfortable not being so private makes me feel, I owe it to my loves, which is the plus size community, to open up, because I could be saving someone's life. Me making a change could make someone else make a change. And that's what it's all about, caring and sharing. So I love you. Let me get back to this fitness haul, this lookbook, whatever. I'm finna take my victory lap around so y'all will see. Woo. I usually eat yogurt, like a banana, and I'll eat yogurt with granola, or you can put all that together and make a smoothie bowl. I drink a lot of water, but I have to have it ice cold, meaning that I have to put my water in the freezer, and that's a comfortable temperature for me. But I don't like basic cold. It still tastes warm to me. I like my water ice cold. And yeah, lunchtime I eat the heaviest meal, so usually I eat my salad and combine it probably with another vegetable or meat. And then for dinner, sometimes I do eat my vegetable rice, but sometimes I might eat some cereal or something very light, because after coming home from work late, I try to cut off my meals at 7 o'clock, no later than 8 o'clock. I don't want to eat at any time after 8 o'clock. Just no. And if I'm still hungry, I drink water all night long. Like when I'm filming for y'all, usually it's nighttime after I get home from work. So yes, I do that. So let's go to the store. Got my chicken, my granola for my yogurt, a few yogurts, cheese, just to crunch on here and there, some milk for my cereal, banana, and these cucumbers. So that's pretty much all I need to last me just a few days, maybe 3 days, maybe even 4, pushing it. But I already got some stuff already at home, so this will last me probably the week, because I'm just feeding myself. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Just $20.